hit it off really well, and we had kind of a cohesive kind of relationship where I was more technical and he's more strategic. You know, he could go in and look at the project and kind of think about things from a high level, and then I was able to kind of go in as at the technical level and clean up things and figure out how to put things together in a good way.
I think the reason that that I like what we do and that Andrews Cooper chooses to do these rugged and portable products is because they're some of the most challenging.
Over the years, we've developed a high level of expertise in that area, and we find it really fun to try to beat Mother Nature.
We've got a very good process for designing products that will succeed, and so we can go after some of the toughest challenges and succeed where maybe other companies might fail.
Neil and Steve have really ingrained that into all of the employees, and so we really follow a rigorous process, you know, of concept design, detailed design, prototyping, testing, and at each one of those checkpoints we involve the client and just make sure that they're happy with the work that we've done and that we're getting the most out of each design phase that we possibly can.
Andrews Cooper's process is more integrated from beginning to end than others. A lot of other firms that we dealt with could do one specific aspect of the project, like they could maybe do the design, but they couldn't supervise the design through plastic tooling. Andrews Cooper, we could just pretty much turn over the whole design from start to finish and end up with finished products and not have to think about it much in the middle.
They have complementary strengths. They're both really good MEs, but I think they bring something different than normal MEs. They have very high integrity, which is really valuable to me. They have creativity and insight into problems, and they hate to fail. They will make sure they're successful and they get their job done.
We really gained a trust in Andrews Cooper that they could do the whole project.
When I think of Steve and Neil, I think about people who do and act the way they say they're going to act. I don't know how to give a higher praise on that.
I'd certainly recommend that other companies work with Andrews Cooper. All of our experiences with Andrews Cooper have been positive. Had a great working relationship. Very simple to work with. A lot of other companies that we tried to work with, we had lots of more legal agreements and boilerplate and all that sort of stuff. Andrews Cooper, we were able to work very simple contracts, very quickly negotiate prices. Was delightful to work with Andrews Cooper.
The most important thing here is I don't think about Andrews Cooper as a vendor to me. I think about them as partners to us.